Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Tuesdays in the Attic with Jen, Kay's mom, here on Instagram and here on YouTube and on Instagram. We are together going back in the archives doing a bunch of Freaky Fast Formulas from the scrap room. I haven't introed that in a while, so I figured I'd mention that one and now finally. So we've got this one that we're gonna play with. Here's all the cuts. So we need a 7x7, a 2x5, a 4-inch circle, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and a 1x12. And I have this crazy fun My Mind's Eye collection that I have had for a while now in my stash from, where's a year? 2014. My Mind's Eye, it's just Saying by Rana Farrer. 2014. It's so pretty. There's all these fun, there's this floral and then this gold glitter stripe. It was an old scrap room kit, so I got 2 pieces of cardstock. I got this overlay, Now is the Time to Shine. And then I got this little banner with paper clips and then a little arrow, and they are glittery. This one, this says, I belong with you, you belong with me. But this side is super fun, and then this side is, so every page has like glittery embossed. This side is like bright suns, and this is this pretty blue with this, yeah. So I already know, because I was like, what am I gonna scrapbook with this pink and teal and glitter? A cute girl in a pink bathing suit, why not, right? So this is what we're gonna scrap. So I'm gonna make all those cuts and then I'll check back in with you. And I cut all those pieces of this lovely Mind's Eye collection, and I apologize. I really got into it at retreat and just did it. So here is your finished product. I love it. All right, so what I did is I really wanted to use a lot of the papers. So I cut, why did I cut out? So I got behind this because the other side of this beautiful stripe was this star pattern. Here, let me get, and I wanted a little green and gold behind my photo, but I didn't want too much. I didn't end up using this paper. I thought I would, but after I cut the circle out of the big stripe, I thought that was enough bold gold, especially then when I cut the border, the 1x12 out of just one of the gold stripes. I thought that was enough gold. I didn't need to do like almost solid gold. This would have been a very, very, very gold matting around my photo, as well as like a tight knit mat. So I took, I got behind this floral and I matted my photo in the floral and a piece of this. So it got matted in both. And then this is obviously the 7x7 piece. So I did that in the floral. This is the 2x5 piece. 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 is this square over here. And it came with, the kit came with this overlay. So I thought that was kind of perfect for a title. So then I kind of arranged my photos and stuff, and then I realized I wanted a little bit more in the background. So I just took some speckled egg and did packaging technique and added it to the stripes, and it just did it over the top. And then I was like, okay, I need some more embellishments. I didn't necessarily want it, like I said, I thought I had enough gold going on. I grabbed this pink heart out of my stash. This is a Elle Studio chipboard heart. This is a, I believe, Vicky Bouton. You feel like some, is it a Vicky? It might be Paige Evans. It's a clear sticker. I can't remember at the moment. So I put it on white and then put some turquoise twine through it. This arrow was in this kit, so I used that, and so like I said, and so was the overlay. I've got flowers, hearts, and stars all over this one. And then I used my border punch, obviously, on the 1-inch strip, and I fussy cut a bunch of florals because I was like, I need something to give it a little more and it's all time to shine. You feel like sunshine, so I was like, shine. I like the starburst that peeks out from behind. It was on the design of the paper, if you remember. But I tucked florals everywhere, and then I decided I'm going to add some stars because I have all these puffy stars. I believe it might be a Paige Evans. It might be a Heidi Swap collection. I don't remember, you guys. It's just in my stash, and it's stuff that I keep, like, in a bin to use up. Stuff that's left over. So I really like it. Turned out really good. This picture is perfect. I love when stuff comes together like this, especially when I'm at a retreat and then people get very impressed. But I love when the colors of stuff just go well, and the energy of the photo and the energy of the like collection, like, I don't know. I kind of nerd out on that, and it makes me really happy. And then those are the pages I really, really, really love. So that's what I got for you. The back of this is that crazy, like, geometric with the gold. And so I had cut some thinking I was going to use it, but then after I started laying down, I decided the backside and just a solid pink would be better, and I'm really glad I did that. But there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out and see what Jen did this week. And yeah, and check out the scrap room and see all their inspiration with Freaky Fast formulas this month. And they do a challenge every month right now, but we're digging in the archives, so we're doing a bunch of the old ones from back in I think we're still in 2014 or something like that. So, but yeah, thank you again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.